that all of you doing great. Well, there was this Bitcoiner who was doing a normal P2P crypto trade, and basically he was not doing it from the exchange, and he was arrested. Not just that, there was a CEO who was involved in $2.5 billion rug pull on an exchange, was arrested. Another big news of arrest came where the Tornado Cash developer got arrested. I'm going to discuss all these news in detail. The point of this particular video is to show to my viewers that the agencies are tightening their grip onto the crypto world, especially because now the big money is being involved. There has been a lot of things to do with the money laundering and rug pulls and the scams and the spams, right? But the authorities throughout the world are literally tightening their grips. That is the reason probably special policies are being launched onto the cryptos and stuff. So what is the overall message I wanted to give to my community before jumping in what happened into these specific cases is that you need to be having a real and true intentions always to deal with the crypto totally legally. Why? Because a lot of people, they don't have a bad intention altogether as such, but at the same time, they believe that probably if they try to send it to their private wallet and then probably try to change their country somewhere or the other, probably they will be able to save the tax, try to send the money somewhere. Probably you should not be doing that. Try to find out the legal way related. What are the legal ways in your country? How legally you can deal with the crypto, and then make your plans accordingly. Because if you plan it the other ways, probably it will be a really tough time for you. When you have to do it legally, you will be thinking you are in a loss. At the same time, the moment things do not go right, like we are talking about some of the big names having things not go right, so we should always be doing it legally. So first of all, this guy Bitcoiner sentenced to federal prison warns user involved in OTC trading. Basically, this guy was actually registered with one of the firms, but at the same time, like, he was supposed to be registered at somewhere else as well. So what he was doing this P2P trading. We all know what is P2P, right? Person to person, probably onto the crypto exchanges. It is available onto the Binance, onto the KuCoin, where you send somebody some money and then they give you the Bitcoin. But he was not doing it onto the exchange. As you can see, the P2P crypto trades, he was doing it under his own firm, or probably his own private way. And this is what he believes, that probably they did not find it anything strong, so they happened to just frame him this way. So he's right now in 6 to 15 months of prison. Having said that, this is just one of the thing probably we need to be aware of. Whenever you're trying to do anything related with the crypto, you have come up with some of the new ways out, or probably dealing with the crypto, sending money, right? Try to find out what are the government's laws related with that, and that is when you need to proceed doing that. Having said that, there was another news that came probably few weeks back, and that was like the Tornado Cash developer was actually arrested by one of the authorities. This came after US actually sanctioned this crypto mixing service. Basically, Tornado Cash even has a crypto coin associated with it. It was used by some of the well-known people in the industry. The US sanctioned that anyone who is dealing, lately, few weeks back, that anyone who is dealing with the Tornado Cash may get approximately 10 to 30 years in prison, and probably may have to pay millions of dollars of fines, or both of the things, like the prison as well as the fines. That is quite a huge thing, because the kind of service that Tornado Cash was providing, that you can send the funds onto the Tornado Cash, and Tornado Cash is going to conceal your identity, and then you can decide who is the end receiver. You can send to somebody else via Tornado Cash, so the one who's receiving the fund will never know who actually sent the fund at the first place. In fact, it is even said that Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, also used Tornado Cash earlier to send some of the charity things. And not just that, this was used by some of the biggest hackers out there. For example, this Ronin network was hacked for $600 million. Guess what? The hackers used Tornado Cash to eventually send the money to their own wallet. Why? Because obviously, if the transaction would have been known, it is being sent from this wallet to this wallet, the authorities would have blocklisted the wallet if the source would have known. But with the Tornado Cash, the source is concealed. Having said that, even one Harmony was hacked for $100 million. Again, the Tornado Cash was used. The US authorities believe even the money laundering happens via the Tornado Cash. More than $7 billion have been laundered through it. And all that reason being fine, a lot of people are not happy with the sanctions. They believe in the privacy. But at the same time, we also need to understand the authorities' concerns are real. We are talking about hackers dealing with the respective platform. But at the same time, why the developer was being arrested? That was quite an extreme thing. I mean, what the developer has to do with this? And this the Dutch government agency basically did that. So having said that, again, these are all the signs that we need to be dealing the crypto with the caution. We need to be dealing with anything that we are planning to do with the crypto, sending the money, saving it in private wallet. Try to do it as legally as possible. That will be in the best interest of everyone. Having said that, there was another news like the crypto CEO who basically in 2021 April, basically his exchange was, I mean, this is what he said, that it is hacked and stuff, withdrawal services was halted. A lot of people lost a big sum of money. The exchange name was Thodex. Finally, the CEO and other people were arrested. And how much prison did he get? 40,000 years plus. That means for the lifetime he's going to remain in prison. The Turkish authority caught him. Again, what is the overall message I'm trying to give? That the agencies across the world are tightening the grip and do not believe that probably you are smart enough. The agencies are smart enough to catch anyone out there who's trying to attempt anything. So the best thing is try to do it legally in accordance with the way your government wants it. If you think the things are unfair, probably you can put upon your protest. Probably you can shift into another country in a legal way, how the funds are being transferred after paying all the taxes. But do not try not to deal with the ways that are not considered legal, because then even all the gains that you have made up, probably it wouldn't matter. Everything will go in drain. So again, guys, I hope that you found the video helpful, message helpful. Again, if you have not subscribed to our channel, you like the content, please ensure you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers and bring you the best of the crypto news, best of the advices. And that's it for this video. Smash the like button, comment down below what do you feel about the arrest, what do you feel about the Tornado Cash, what do you feel about everything else related with the crypto. And I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.